Hello. Great job. Um, I am with. Oh my gosh, everybody's wrong at the exact same time. My dad just texted me. Yeah, she's unlocking epona, and I don't know why, but I feel like recording. My dad just texted me, and I thought you texted me. Wow. Okay. 6. You could wait. Do you have like 1,000? You could wait. Or you could wait like 2 weeks until you have 1,000 enough to buy like any horse you want. Really, you're impatient. Herman the crab just looks chill. He looks like he's falling. Oh, you did? Oh, I wasn't here. He has a mind of his own. Is that your phone I hear? Uh, I hear creepy dinging. I'm paranoid. I already know I am. Oh my god, I think I figured out what it was. It's Star Stable. It's making a creepy ding noise and it's scary. No. Good animations. Good, good animations. I hate that word. Yes. It's definitely not down there. I think. Uh-uh. You know you're gonna jump. Oh jeez, that scared the Jesus out of me. I don't think you're supposed to be there. I don't think you're supposed to be there. He must be really smart or must be really good at hearing. I don't pay attention. You dummy. Same, it's gonna take us years. Guess who's excited?
Me, because I'm an helicopter. Alright, guys. We made it. Oh. It's the GED. And they've seen. Oh my god.
Lordy Jesus, what is...
GED guy has sounded the alarm. This isn't good. Brooke and St. Couches will never find out what Miss X knows, and we'll never be able to stop GED. Brooke, listen carefully now. We'll never get out of here together. You understand? Ride, Brooke. I'll stay behind. I know it's difficult, but it's the only way. They'd catch up with me before I had a chance to take 10 steps. But I've seen you ride. You're the best rider I've ever seen. You're the only one who could do this. I'll stop the guards so you can escape. We've got to do what we came to do now. We've got to find Miss X. Go now. I'll stop the guard. Ride to Storm Garden and tell Harold Stormheart what's happening. There's no more time. The guard's coming. Go, Brooke. Find Miss X. Find Miss X. Find Miss X. Looks like they're having a great time over there.
It looks like they're chit-chatting. It looks like they're besties.
Where do I go?
These machines are not good. Like, these can scare the doo-doo out of horses.
Oh my gosh. I was not prepared for this. I was not prepared to run from something. I didn't know how...
All you were prepared for is to just go to Epona and see the ices.
I should have been prepared for a challenge. I knew this was going to be challenging.
Oh, it is Star Stable that I hear.
Gotta go this way. Gotta go fast.
I gotta go fast.
Go faster. Okay, apparently these guys just don't care if I'm here.
And they're like, oh, who cares? They don't like
Oh, other workers. I don't see where else GED people look. Help me.
Someone can. What?
This is even harder than riding around on that boat, trying to get away from them. Are they still coming to find me? Are there still people I need to avoid?
They're coming to take you away.
Haha, they're coming to
Take me away. Haha, hee haha, it's funny. I don't remember the rest.
Our life.
Oh my god, those majestic cows.
Oh, look at them. Who are you? Oh. Hey there, slow down. Wow, I've never seen anybody ride so fast. You can relax now. GED guards would never dare step onto my land. You're safe now. Why do you look so worried? Did Herman get left behind at GED?
Mm-hmm.
Quick, you have to tell everything to my dad. Yay! I'm in his own. Okay. Hurry now. He's Herman's oldest friend. My name's by the way, I hope we can talk more, but now you really gotta run. Quick, go! I mean, he's literally right over here. I don't. You look like the old man that's the one. He has 6 legs? No, spiders are fake.
Well, shush.
Oh my gosh, Rayleigh.
It's so majestic.
I did it.
Also, you just said my name and I was recording.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. No one ever watches my videos.
Look at the tree.
Oh, so majestic.
Oops.
I'm freaking out even though that it's going to take me 5 years to get here, but okay.
You can come on my account whenever you want, and plus you have like 100 left.
Yeah.
So I have to give you permission.
Usually, I only get to on your account is when you're like,
look at this old lady.
oh, she look crusty, musty, dusty.
Not often we get to see a new face around here. Who are you?
I'm, we're no one. So this is where I'll end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you did. And comment down below which IC do you think that Brooke is gonna get. Anywho, bye!